Hello everyone, so today in this video I am going to share how to correct errors in COVID-19 vaccine certificate. So firstly, open your Google and type cowin.government.in. Tap on register or sign in. Now enter your registered mobile number. Now get OTP. Now enter the OTP. Verify and proceed. Now here you can see an option raise an issue. Click on that. Now click on first option, correction in my certificate regarding name, age, gender, photo ID. Now select a member. Now correct the detail. So now upload a photo ID. Now continue. Now submit the request. So this is how you can correct your vaccination certificate. Thank you for watching this video.